Slama Amukhon, or peace be with you. Shuvuha Lamsiha Maran. Zauma Ramba, or Great Fast. Excerpts from the second Hadab Shamba or first day message. Sauma Ramba. In other words, Great Fast is a special time of waiting for the mercy of Allah. When we focus on what is necessary, we will receive the consolation of Allah. The same Allah who manifested His presence through the Ark of the Covenant in the past now offers Himself to us as the Qurbana or offering dwelling among us. We must become the arks of the covenant that bear the risen issue. Sauma Ramba is the season to abandon the pursuit of worldly attachments and instead learn to follow the Good Shepherd, the risen issue. Understanding that death has no power over risen Yeshua Mashiach, we must not confine him to the skipa or wood or tree, but place our hope in risen Yeshua while lifting up our old selves on the skipa. Let us remain in the Mamudisa experience of living in the risen Yeshua. In order to avoid the habits of evil, we need to cultivate a way of doing good. It is a season to seek out the poor who need justice and offer help in secret. Instead of becoming slaves to many things and people, let us become servants of Allah. Sauma Ramba is the time to nourish ourselves with the right fertilizer and water so that we may be good trees that bear good fruit. To enter heaven, we must fulfill the will of our heavenly Abba, O Father. The services of the house are excellent prayers that help us to pray with the focus on the word. May Sauma Ramba help us to meditate, focusing on the resurrection, the fasting, suffering events in the life of the risen Yeshua Mashiach. Welcome to Mas Livadera, where the services of the hours hold a place of great honor. Mars Livadera code 685. Shuvuha Lamsiha Maran. Slama Amukhon.